All right, we're gonna do a little something a little harder. Because we are in the tri-state area. We are not too far from the Mecca of hip-hop, New York. Don't embarrass. How many people out there ever seen the movie Wild Style? Ever seen the movie Beat Street? Ever seen the movie Crush Groove? Motherfuckers, I'm gonna find out. We gonna do this. Y'all think y'all ready? I said just sing along if you know it. If you don't, mumble. Like act like this. You ready? And it goes a little something like this. It goes pooh tang tang. I don't wanna go search all night for my honey bun. Hey yo, give me some of that yum yum before I go to bed. Out of all the animals in the world, I'd rather be a duck. Wow. So I could just quack all up under them panties there and give you a